Hello everyone. Today, we're creating an abstract, a monogram logo paired with modern text, combining creativity and clean design for a striking look.
Drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the